All right, so we're finishing up number 5 here. And so we're just doing big B times H, which is 29.7 times 16. And you should get for a final answer, it should be the volume is 475.2. And that's going to be millimeters cubed because volume is in 3 dimensions. All right, so 475.2 millimeters cubed. Now for number 6. So guys, number 4 is something that like you can go back and do on your own and then check the notes key. So if you're looking for some extra practice before you get started, check out number 4. But I want to move on to number 6 here. So we got to figure out what the area of our base is and then what is going to be the height between the bases. Okay, so for this, we have to find out what are the two parallel figures. What two figures run parallel? What two planes run parallel to each other that are going to be the base? And if you look here, it's going to be these two trapezoids. All right, so that trapezoid right there, and then the trapezoid behind it. Those are the bases. They're two parallel planes. They're not going to intersect. Okay, so that's the base. Now, we have to figure out what the area of that base is going to be. So, area of a trapezoid is 1/2 height times base 1 plus base 2. Okay, so 1/2 height times base 1 plus base 2. You can tell that the height of, because we're looking just at this trapezoid right here, okay, the height of the trapezoid is going to be 17.9. That's going to be our height. Okay, and then we have to figure out the two bases. Well, we know 14, since I outlined that figure, 14 is going to be one of our bases. Then our other base is just, it tells you that this 36, well, we also know that it's also going to be that length right there, right here. So 36 is going to be our base 2. So plug in everything into our formula. It's 1/2 the height, which is 17.9, times 14 plus 36. And I think I say this every single time that we're doing this, but I'm going to say it again. Plug the 14 plus 36 into your calculator first, then multiply by 17.9, then you can divide by 2 because multiplying by 1/2 is the same thing as dividing by 2. So plug that in your calculator, and you should get 400. So the area of the base should be 447.5. Okay, so that is the area of our base there. Now we just have to figure out the height between the bases, okay? Height between the bases, that's going to be our H. So looking from trapezoid to trapezoid, we're trying to figure out what this length is right here. Well, it shows us what it is right over here, okay? That height, they're going to be the same. Both of those purple lines are going to be the same measure, which is 25. So our height is 25. And then we plug everything in our formula. So the volume is just B times H, which is going to be 447.5 times 25, which gives us, for a final answer here, 11,187.5. 11,187.5, and then it's in meters cubed. So that's our answer. And remember how I said we're going to get big numbers? Yeah, it's going to happen, guys. So don't be afraid to get big numbers when you're multiplying all this stuff together, okay? So we're getting 11,187.5. All right, guys. So try number 7 on your own. I know this video is going to end. This is where I'd like you to try number 7 on your own. The answer is in the notes key. And then in the next video, we are going to start number 8. Number 8.